Yo, you guys, it's Badger here, and today we have a little, computer. It's a mini computer, and as it works, we are, just setting that up. Then it is good to go. It has Windows installed on it already, so that's kind of nice to see. As you can see, it's pretty small. Just have it on my PlayStation. It's maybe like a fourth of it. Maybe a little bit more than that, but yeah, in general, it's pretty decent. Has also these plates, so you can actually make it stand upside. Then you're just gonna connect everything, and then you can start using it. As you can see, we got mouse and keyboard already on here. I did throw it on my TV. That's what I thought it would be nice for. In case you're wondering, and as you can see, it is basically just Windows. We didn't install much yet, but we will in the future. And yeah, it works smoothly. It has a decent core and all. Graphics aren't the best, obviously. In such a small device, you can't smash in like the best GeForce and everything. But in general, for working, some watching and stuff, organizing, definitely an option. For work in general, that's completely fine. For easy games, probably as well. You can probably play some League and stuff on that. And yeah, I mean, I think this shall be fine. Um, and you get an idea. So if you're looking for a small computer to just randomly set up somewhere, or to take long to work, you could probably even have like your work stuff on there and then replace your laptop with a little computer like that. So yeah, I mean, I'm happy. I think it's doing a good job, and that's gonna be it for today, you guys. And I will see you around in the next video. So until then, take care. My name is Badger. I'm out, and have a good one. Bye bye.